Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your instructor, Rob Ware here. I wanted to take a little bit of time just to say hello and welcome to a week one. Definitely looking forward to getting this week started off strong and fast with you guys. A couple of things that I wanted to check in with you guys just to remind you guys of is definitely to pay attention to our syllabus at the top tab and make sure that you guys read through that because you guys will be held accountable with everything that's in there, as well as take a look at the calendar and the due dates and assignments and everything else that needs to take place, as well as take some time to go into the student lounge. I know this is the first time that we're able to connect with each other. Some of you guys might know each other, but this is the first time that you guys are getting to know me, and I would like to get a good understanding of where you guys are from, just some stuff that you want me to know about yourself. So if you can do that, that'd be great. If you need to get a hold of me, you can use the communicate tab at the top of the page and email me through the class, or you can email me at my Rasmussen email, which is rob.ware@rasmussen.edu. That'd be a good way of getting a hold of me. But other than that, some things I want you guys to think about when it comes into week one and what this class is about. You're probably asking yourself, like, what is this about? What are we going to discuss? Some things that I want you to keep in mind are there's two key concepts, key topics that are talked about throughout this book and throughout the course, and that's leadership and managerial work. Okay? The question that's asked in our discussion this week is, does it really matter how you define leadership? So I want you really to think back before you just, get started on the discussion and try to get it done. I want you to really sit back and think about that and look at your life and say, hey, does it really matter, how I define leadership and what's leadership? How would you define leadership in your life? And when you look at leaders, have you had the experience to work with or be around people that you were like, man, they really are a definition of leadership? So that's what we're going to be diving into this week right away and looking into that. And I want you to look at your life as well and think about, where am I at as a leader? Do I need to grow some more? Do I need to develop? Have I had those good examples of leaders throughout my life? And go from there. So I'm really looking forward to this week's topic and discussion and assignments, and looking forward to reading what you guys have. Some other things that you want to think about as well is make sure that you guys have the textbook, okay? Leadership in organizations. Nice, easy read. We're going to be diving into this and using this weekly. Definitely going to be going over our case study right away this week. When it comes to the case study, make sure that you read it thoroughly. Definitely feel like you guys will learn a lot from those case studies. And make sure that you answer the questions. Take time to think about the question and really write out a well thought out response. Okay, the short answer is, it's not going to work. So you definitely want to make sure you add a lot of detail into those and show me that you understand what's going on. Which by the end of the course, you definitely will develop as a leader. So when you get some time, go to the student lounge, introduce yourself. If you ever have any questions for me, please do not hesitate. Ask me, and I'm here to help you guys. Looking forward to getting this week started.